Okay, guys, so we graphed this one yesterday, but I want to go over this one quickly so that we can move on. So look at this one, guys. So your vertex is 3 2, right? So you go to 3 2. Oops. You just plot this point at 3 2, and then what do we do? Look at this. Your A is positive 1, right? A is positive 1. So graph looks like this, and then we go, when A is 1, we go 1 3 5. We go odd number rule, but most likely you will do only up to 1 and 3. All right, so you go 1 to the right. So for this point, what? From the vertex, 1 to the right, 1 up. So that's your second point. All right, and then what? The next point will be what? 3 up. So 1 to the right, and then you go 1 2 3, 3 up, like this. All right, so, and you know, here we know this is the axis of symmetry, so you can just get the other point or left side, just use a symmetric. So here, so this one, there, so this one, like this. And then once you get 5 points, you can connect like this. All right, so 1 3 5, just remember the number. So look at this one, guys. Then what is it? That's 2 0. My vertex is 2 0, right? So you go to 2 0 right here, and then look, your A is what? Your A is 1. So we go 1 3. So remember 1 and 3. And then if you want to go like more, then the next number will be 5. Next number will be 7. All right, odd number. So from here, you go 1 to the right, 1 up, right? We did this. You go 1 to the right from that point. So from your second point, you go 3 up. So 1 2 3 right here. We did this. And actually your next point, if you want to get it, then 1 to the right, go 1 2 3 4 5, that one. So like this, then you get more accurate graph. And then the other side, use a symmetric. So just have this, and this, like that, like this. All right, so this is graphing. When it's going up, then you go up like that. When it's going down, then from your vertex you go down by 1 3 5. All right, and then guys, let's look at today's work. So from here, I want to sketch this. Let me try number 9. Okay, so do you see this one? 2 in front of the quadratic function. So 2 is your leading coefficient. That's not 1. That's a little different, right? So there's like some other way to do this. Let me bring this, and new note. So guys, look. So my function is 2 5 negative 3. So my A is 2, and my vertex is 5 negative 3, right? So you go to 5 negative 3. So you need to go, so you click this one pencil so that you can plot the point. So you just go to 5 negative 3. This one, like this, you plot the point. All right, and then think about it, guys. So I told you when A is 1, right? So when A is 1, we go by 1 3 5, right? When A is 2, just like this. When A is 2, then we double this number. When A is 2, then what do you do? 1 times by 2, then what do you get? 2. 3 times by 2, then what do you get? 6. 5 times by 2, then what do you get? 10, right? So you go by that number, okay? So from here, you move 1 to the right. So, and when you go right or left, you always move by 1, all right? So you always move by 1, so don't worry about it. So you go 1 to the right, then how much do you go up? 2 up. So 1 2 right here. Okay, So 1 to the right and 2 up. And next, you go 6 up. So from this, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right here, like that. Okay? And then we need to use a symmetric. So just like copy the same point. And this one is right here, like that. So whenever you get this 5 points, then what do? You press that one. Then that they will connect it like that. Alright? Let's check. Yes. And let me do one more. Number 10. Oops. Come on. Okay, let's do number 10. So this time you get -2 for A, right? So A is -2 and my vertex is -6, -3. -6, -3. That's my vertex. So you go to -6, -3. Oops. So -6, -3. Right here. And this time we have -2, right? So let's use that one. Then when A is 1, we go by 1, 3, right? When A is -2, then what do? You multiply by -2. So it's -2, and then you multiply by -2, then you get -6. So from this point, you go 2 down, and then you go 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. And then the other side, just put the points like symmetric. Alright, and then you sketch it like that. Okay. Alright. And let's try number 8. Okay, so number 8. Oh, you have 2. We already did 2. I want to do something with the 3. Okay, let's try this one. So do you see this time your A is 3, right? But the same thing. Always you just go to the vertex. Your vertex is -5, -1. So my vertex -5, -1. Right? And then my A 3, right? And then you just remember when A is 1. When A is 1, we go by 1, 3, right? Then think about it. When A is 3, then what do you do now? You multiply by 3 to this number. So times by 3, then you get 3. Times by 9, then you get... Oh, why did I multiply by 9? Eraser. Times by 3, right? Times by 3, then you get 9. So we go by 3 and 9. Alright? So you go to your vertex, -5, -1. Let's go -5, -1. It's right here. And then A is +3, so we go up, right? And then when you move 1 to the right, then you go up 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this. And when you go one more, you go by 9. So from here you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's right there. And you just complete the other side, this and this, like this. Alright? Because -5 is your axis of symmetry, like this, right? And then we just press graphing button like that. Alright, and let's try one more. So look, this one, -3. Then now you have -3, right? So it's the same thing. Same thing. A is -3. My V is my vertex 1, 5, right? So you go 1, 5 first. 1, 5 right here. And then, it's negative 3. So let's write it first. When a is 1, we go 1 and 3, right? When a is negative 3, then you multiply by negative 3. So times by negative 3, then you get negative 3. You times by negative 3, then you get negative 9. So negative 3, that means you go down 3. So you move 1 to the right and go down 3. 1, 2, 3. So right here, you go 1 to the right, and now you go 9 down. 1, oops, hold on. You go 9 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. And it's right here, and it's right here. Okay, just remember 1 is your axis of symmetry. Okay, and then you sketch it. Then we're done. Okay, so guys, please, if you don't get it, watch it again. Alright, so just like all we need to do is depends on your A, right? Depends on your A and your vertex. So we started from the vertex. Okay, we started from the vertex, and you need to get your like kind of slope. When A is 1, we go by odd number, 1, 3, 5. When A is 2, you multiply by 2 to 1, 3, 5. Then you get 2, 6, 10 like this. When it's 3, you times by 3, so you get 3, 9, and what, 15, like you go like that. Alright? And then if it is negative, then you go down that much. And then if that is positive, then you go up like that. And you just complete the right side, and the left side, use a symmetric, just complete the other side. Alright? So if you have any question, text me. Alright? And please complete your do now, classwork, homework, 20 minutes of Alex. Okay? Have great day, guys. Bye bye.